So there is real differences in what clients want, or at least some differences, some commonalities, some differences, a kind of mixed picture, but certainly there is variation. And where they've done research looking at what impact it has to match the therapy to the client preferences, generally they find that it does have a positive effect. And it's not overwhelming. It's not that, we did a study quite recently actually where we didn't find an effect or much. We found that clients who wanted direction did as well with student person-centered therapists as they did with student Gestalt therapists. That actually working with these two orientations, it didn't relate to how well clients did who wanted something more gentle. But kind of overall, what the research has shown is that clients do stay in therapy longer if it meets their preferences.